We are PROram, Constructive Mentality, shaping the industrial future. Visit our website for further information and request quotation. Hello, thank you for being with us and watching this video. It is part of our series about PolyWorks software. You will learn many practical tips on how to use the software to achieve your goals or simply improve your work. We encourage you to like the video and subscribe to our channel to do not miss further useful information. We also invite you to leave your comment about this material. We are open to any suggestions. The content and services we create for you. Quality decisions get faster when results are visual and obvious. Form errors like flatness and circularity impact assemblies, fits, and function. Seeing them in 3D eliminates guesswork and speeds up engineering decisions. Today, we focus on visualizing form errors with Feature Navigator using two key controls: a reference plane for flatness and a circle for circularity. Both are measured by contact probe using either a tactile measuring arm or an SMR, or probe with a laser tracker. Let's visualize it. In the tree view, I select the measured plane. With a right click, I open geometry controls for this feature and add the appropriate control into the table. However, the numerical result alone does not satisfy us. Let's close the Geometry Controls panel for a clearer view of the 3D scene. Now I right-click the plane feature in the tree and select Feature Navigator. I choose the control I want to visualize and adjust the scaling factor as needed. Now I get a graphical GPS or GD&T form error presentation of the plane. For better visualization, we can hide the CAD model, leaving only the subjected plane on the screen. Let's do the same for our circle. Follow the exact same workflow, just select circularity instead of flatness. Simple and obvious. Once you are satisfied with the 3D view, you can capture a snapshot and embed the visualization into your report. It's quick, simple, and always aligned with international metrology standards. PolyWorks keeps you compliant without slowing you down. PolyWorks Inspector cuts complex form analysis to instant 3D clarity. Faster insight drives faster decisions, fewer errors, and lower production costs. This is battle-tested in PROram AS landmark projects, where PolyWorks powers critical contact inspection. In the next episode, we'll return briefly to serial part inspection and show how piece templates streamline repeatable projects. Thank you for watching. We encourage you to visit our website and read more about us.